Welcome to Factful Finance, where clarity meets opportunity. Let's cut straight to the chase. What if I told you that AI can write high-converting affiliate content that pulls in passive income around the clock, even while you sleep? Sound too good to be true? That's exactly what a lot of people thought, until they started doing it. And today, I'm going to show you how. Now let's get one thing straight. This isn't about pushing a button and watching money rain from the sky. It's about using the right tools, guided by the right strategy, to turn AI from a novelty into a reliable income engine. And when done right, it works. Not in theory, in practice. So how do you use AI to generate content that actually converts? Not fluff, not clickbait, but real, revenue-generating affiliate content? You're about to find out. Let's start with the foundation. What exactly is high-converting affiliate content? At its core, affiliate content bridges a reader's curiosity with a product's value proposition. Your job is to educate, guide, and inspire trust. And that means more than slapping product links on a blog post. You need structured persuasion backed by strategy. And that's where AI steps in. Modern AI, especially when used with tools like GPT-4, Jasper, or Copywriting, can draft outlines, generate product descriptions, compare features, and even simulate buyer personas. But raw AI output won't cut it. You need to refine, optimize, and inject human insight, and that's where most people fail. So here's your blueprint, step by step. Step 1. Niche down, but go where money flows. AI doesn't replace research, it accelerates it. Use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest to find underserved niches with high commercial intent. Look for low competition, high conversion keywords. Then ask AI to generate content pillars around those keywords. Example, let's say Zoe, a 35-year-old single mom, found a niche around ergonomic baby carriers. She used ChatGPT to generate 20 blog post ideas, then cross-checked them against search volumes. She found one golden topic: best baby carriers for hiking moms. The post she wrote, refined from an AI draft, now ranks on Google and brings in $400 per month in commissions. Step 2. Choose the right affiliate programs, not just Amazon. While Amazon Associates is a great place to start, it's often low-paying. Use AI to generate a list of affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Platforms like ShareASale, Impact, CJ Affiliate, and niche-specific ones like Booking.com or ConvertKit often offer better payouts. Take Marcus. He runs a blog on productivity gear for freelancers. He used AI to compare commission rates across different platforms and found that writing a review for Notion's affiliate program offered triple the payout of similar SaaS tools. That one decision added $1,200 to his monthly income. Step 3. Structure your content like a high-converting funnel. AI can generate copy, but you need to guide it. Use proven frameworks: AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action; PS, problem, agitation, solution; or the reviews comparison CTA structure. Start with a powerful hook. AI can suggest several options. Follow with personal experience, FAQs, pros and cons, and direct product comparisons. The goal is to build trust before you ever drop a link. Example, Naomi wrote an article titled "The 5 Best Budget Espresso Machines Under $300. AI gave her the base structure. She added YouTube embeds, authentic user reviews, and even a photo of her own setup. The bounce rate dropped. Time on page went up. Conversions doubled. Step 4. SEO is non-negotiable. AI can help, but only if you understand what to ask for. Use ChatGPT to generate title variations, meta descriptions, internal linking strategies, and even schema markup. But always run these through Surfer SEO or ClearScope to optimize based on real-world ranking data. And here's the kicker. AI won't just write your post, it'll help you update it. That's crucial. Google values freshness, so schedule AI-assisted content audits every 3 to 6 months. Update stats, improve CTAs, and replace underperforming links. Passive income isn't set and forget, it's set, track, and improve. Step 5. Add conversion boosters. AI can help script CTAs, write lead magnets, or even brainstorm bonus offers. Imagine you're promoting a meal kit delivery service. Ask AI to help you write a downloadable PDF of 5 quick and healthy dinner recipes in under 20 minutes. That bonus increases opt-ins, which you can retarget via email, another income layer. Now let's talk tools. Jasper for persuasive copywriting, Fruzz or Copywriting for SEO-optimized drafts, Surfer SEO for keyword guidance, Grammarly or Hemingway for readability. Use image generators like Midjourney or Canva to add custom visuals. AI doesn't just write, It designs, enhances, and personalizes. But here's a common pitfall: relying on AI too much. You can always tell when a post is AI vomit, flat, soulless, generic. Don't be that creator. Blend AI output with your voice, your insights, your stories. That's what makes people trust you, not just the content. And if you're wondering if this really works long-term, let's zoom out. According to Statista, affiliate marketing spending in the US alone is expected to reach $13 billion this year. Globally, it's even bigger. Brands are pouring money into affiliate partnerships because the ROI is undeniable. But the competition is rising too, and only those who combine efficiency with expertise will thrive. Want another real-world example? Arjun, a former accountant turned content creator, built a comparison blog for accounting software. He used ChatGPT to generate template reviews, then layered in CPA-level insights. After 6 months, his site crossed $5,000 per month in affiliate revenue. He didn't quit his job. He bought back his time. The takeaway? AI won't do the work for you, but it will multiply your efforts when you show up with strategy, clarity, and consistency. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but where do I even start? Start by picking a niche that pays. Use AI to brainstorm 50 content ideas. Build one post, just one. Run it through SEO tools. Add affiliate links. Track conversions. Then repeat. Systematize and scale. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. What part of this strategy are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. If this opened your eyes to what's possible with AI and affiliate income, wait until you see what I've got lined up next. It'll take your income strategy from good to game-changing. Click the video on screen now. You won't want to miss it.